Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable reduce motion on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the digital once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page and then locate reduce motion. Then should say limit animation of the user interface. If you want to limit the animation, just go ahead and enable reduce motion. Now if you try to go back, you see the animation on the interface has now disappeared. Now to disable reduce motion, just come here, toggle this off to bring back the animation of the user interface, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to enable or disable reduce motion on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.